Hey, it's Will of Will's Garden, and I'm in the shop today and just wanted to go over one of our interactive displays we have. It's an on-demand pump, great for watering hanging plants, washing your car with your rain barrel, or an IBC tote that you're using as a rain cistern. Right here is our example rain barrel. It's only 15 gallons because of space in the shop, but you can use your imagination. The spigot goes up to the pump. It's an on-demand pump, so it only is triggered when you actually pull the trigger on your watering. It's plugged into a regular household outlet, as we've got there. So we're just going to take the garden hose and fire it. As you can see, it's great. It's great for a single person. It's good for up to a 50-foot garden hose run. I've got a video on that. If you got any questions, feel free to ask them. Check out willsgarden.com. We specialize in rainwater systems with rain barrels and IBC totes. All right, so we got the pump from Amazon. I went ahead and hooked on the filter onto the inlet side. You're going to notice that there's arrows. The side's in, the side's out. So here's the filter, and then we hooked on the nipples. Now, you're going to see on the Amazon listing, they're going to suggest that you buy this to go with the pump. There's only one problem. The threading on the pump is not the same as this. Even though they're the right size, they will not thread on at all. It's not a matter of gooping it up or anything like that. They just won't thread on. I could not for the life of me get them to thread on. It's totally different. So it's a waste of time. Oh yeah, and money. So what we're going to do here is take our 1/2-inch garden hose, cut off the female end, so the end that's going to go to our faucet. We're just going to go ahead and throw on a hose clamp that we got to buy separately, stick it on, and tighten down the hose clamp nice and snug, and then we're going to take the other side and do the same, and then you're just going to be able to use everything. I strongly recommend coming up with a way of keeping your pump dry, whether it's inside a box or you're going to take it in at the end of the night or just cover it with a piece of plastic. These are great pumps, but they do not like being out in the elements, especially in wet grass for a long time. I killed one after 3 months doing that. I was torture testing it, making sure that, that it's a good product before I recommended it. Go ahead to our website, willsgarden.com, order yours. It's going to be great. You're going to be able to hook it right up, easy install. Take the headache out of your rain barrel or your IBC tote. Thanks. Have a good one.